Now we start our Xmas tree designs. It doesn't have to be very big, even a medium sized tree work perfectly for this style. The main idea is to keep it simple, natural, and festive. Take some wooden piece or frame and you can make it very beautifully. Next, we gather some wooden slices and branches. These are cut from aired pieces of wood, nothing too perfect because the rustic look adds character. A little sanding smooths the surface, but we will keep the natural bark to show it's natural. Each wooden piece will serve as a hanger or support for our ornaments. Now let's move on the Xmas walls. Choose colors that match your holiday theme like rustic red and gold for a classic look, silver and blue for a winter wonderful feel. Winter wonderful feel, or even green and white for something more modern. To take them stand out, we will attach a small string or ribbon to each one. The key is balance. You want the balls to shine but still keep that natural handmade feeling when combined with the wooden bases. As you hold one ball next to a wooden slice, you will see how beautifully nature and sparkle blend together. ये भी लेके बूढ़ी औरत है. So here's come the fun part, hanging the ornaments. Each wooden piece is carefully tied with a string, twine or ribbon, and then a ball is attached to it. Each wooden piece is carefully tied and with a string, twine or ribbon, and then wall is attached to it. Some hang low, some higher, creating a natural rhythm around the tree. Notice how the wooden texture softens the shine of the ball. It feels rustic but festive at the same time. You can arrange them evenly or let them hang at different levels for a more playful organic look. The wooden pieces almost act like branches within the tree, carrying the ornaments in the way that look both unique and welcoming. It finished the look. We add soft fairy lights between the branches. The warm glow reflects on the balls and highlights the wooden texture, giving the tree a cozy cabin-like atmosphere. If you like, you can also add a few pine cones, cinnamon sticks, or dried orange slices to match the natural theme. You can make different types of trees like add some burlap, add some slices, wooden slices. And there you have it, a X-Mix tree that blends sparkle with simplicity. Hanging shiny X-Mix ball on wooden pieces creates festive designs that feel handmade, rustic, and full of holiday warmth. This is the decoration anyone can try, even with just a few materials at home. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this inspires you to bring a touch nature into your X-Mix celebrations. If you enjoyed this, forget to like, subscribe, and share for more creative holiday ideas. Merry and happy decorating. Our designs brings you the rustic look and farmhouse look, and we take you to the world of very amazing creation, crafty creation, very amazing and unique ideas. If you want to love more designs like this, if you want to get more ideas like this, you can join us on our channel. May your life fulfilled with happiness, love, prosperity, and magic. May you remain happy and blessings on you. So much blessings on you. Your house fulfilled with love and happiness. So hope you enjoy these design and ideas. We try to bring the most beautiful design. These designs are very popular and creative. You can get best ideas from this video. And our tree is finally complete. Just look at how the wooden pieces and shiny walls frames together to create something truly special. It's a rustic festival and it feels like Xmas has come alive right in our home. So make something different and unique. This simple idea shows us that we don't always need expensive ornaments. Sometimes the beauty of nature mixed with little creativity is more than enough to spread a holiday. Thank you so much for joining and spending for this time with me today. If you enjoyed the project, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. Wishing you a season filled with peace, warmth and happiness. Happy festival and happy decorating. So keep your designs and beautifully and take something beautiful ideas from this video. Getting ideas from this video, you can enjoy these designs and make something extraordinary, something treasure and very beautiful.